Welcome, woodpeckers! I'm here today with my daughter Hedda. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. And we are doing kids workshop number 2. We are nummer 2. We are making a rabbit and kanin today. And yeah, and a little pig or a mouse. We'll see what it will look like the most.
Hi.
Okay. So, let's get started. First we're gonna make a big rabbit. So I'm gonna cut this, and today I'm using my miter saw in order for it to go very fast. Canine. Okay, fingers in the ears. Good. I can first cut because we need some ears for this one. Trenger noen ører, and then some small armer, and legs. Yeah. And then we can make some arms. You don't have to do the arms or the legs, but I think it would be an interesting addition. Right now I need to paint the face and the face and apply the ears. Ansikt. Okay. Thank you. Now we're gonna make the legs, the arms, or we're gonna fasten them. You could use glue for this, but this way it will be much quicker. Wow, now we need to focus, and one over there. Watch fingers again. Ah, nice. Are you done? Oh, fin. And the rabbit is done too. So we're gonna make a pig out of this one. Liten piglet, liten gris. And we're gonna make a snout. So it's best to do the snout first before you cut it in the right size. Okay. Now we got like the pig's snout, grisesnutten. Da må jeg ikke spikke, I'm not gonna whittle against you, jeg skal ikke spikke mot deg. Hello, hello. Yeah, it could be a big pencil. Oh yeah, bunny tail. No? Okay. Yeah, good. It's now got the tail also. Not necessary, but it's fun. Okay. It's the defeat, you know. This took so long. Now she has to go. She gotta go, she gotta go.
Ha det, Pil.
Vinke da. Jeg må gjøre den ferdig. I have to finish it. Okay, pig's eyes, nose, almost in line with the rest. Pig. Og her har vi laget en kanin.
Hallo, kanin.
Hallo. Og nå skal jeg lage benene på grisen. Drill.
Yes.
Okay, as you probably saw today, having a workshop with kids they like things happening very fast. So if you have cut all the things in advance, that will help you out a lot. And you should maybe have made them once before. I haven't made these. I just see them in Pinterest or something, and then I try it myself. And I bring my kids. First there was my girl Hedda, now it's a little Edwin boy. And yeah, I think they have some fun with it, watching it. And yeah, armer, ja. Arms. Kan du si arms? Arms. And ears. Ører. Mm. Kan du si nose? Yes. Nose, ja. Og eyes. Det er engelsk for øyne. Kan du si rabbit?
Rabbit.
Og kan du si pig?
Pig.
Doing this workshop with kids can be quite difficult because they, well, at least when you have 5-year-olds and 2 to 3-year-olds, they just do what they want to do, and you shouldn't force them if they don't want. So you just gotta let them go when they want to. But we got to make the rabbits and the pig, and what is so fun after the first workshop I did, the kids workshop, I was actually gonna bring Hedda into it, but she did not want to. She just ate the muffins I brought, and after she ate the muffins, she was done filming, or we didn't even get to film. She was done with the workshop, but then I went to my other job, and a couple of days later, and when I came back, she had made this really cool figure by the stuff I had leftovers from what I cut, making the stick man and the stick dog. And I thought that was so cool. I hope you stick around to see more of these. I truly enjoy making them. They're really fast, so it doesn't take any time at all. And but what I will also do, making these small ones, has given me an interest in making one big stick man, and that you should get to see. I think it will be awesome. Okay, and remember to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.